Hi, I'm Bradley from Chestertons, and today I'm very excited to show you Adley Apartments. So if you follow me, we'll have a look inside. So here we are at the main lobby for the development, where you have a 24-hour concierge service and a luxurious lounge area for its residents. So here's one of Adley's many communal areas. It's a really great workspace for you to work from your laptop. So one of the things that I love about Adley Apartments is its outdoor spaces. You can be at one with nature in this garden while you can hear the birds. So right now we're in one of the private hire rooms with a fully fitted kitchen, 50-inch LG TV and Sonos surround sound. Here you can book out this room for conferences and even family functions like a party or a birthday. So Adley first opened its doors in May of 2020, and since then it's been one of the most popular developments in the area. It attracts many young working professionals due to its quirky architecture and its leisure facilities. So follow me, we're going to check out one of the screening rooms. So this is the screening room. Essentially it's a private cinema for residents who can book this out from the concierge. So this is one of my favourite penthouse suites in the development. It's 1,200 square foot, 3-bed. Features David Phillips furniture of a super high spec. We've got a very large open plan kitchen area here. Plenty of workspace for 3 people to prepare their food. So this is one of the bedrooms here. Second bedroom, also a really good size, plenty of space to walk around the bed again. And you've also got the built-in storage unit as you had in the other bedroom. And a gorgeous view of the Thames Barrier Bridge.